Muzata.
Today we are going to show you how to install Muzata Invisible Cable Railing Kit. The greatest feature is it could be hidden inside the post and make the railing pretty. And it works for both wood and metal post. Here are the tools we need for installation. You can search Muzata and part number to find them, such as Muzata CR09. Firstly, you need a Muzata hydraulic crimper, which is designed for swagging stainless fittings. It comes with a pair of dies made of hardened alloy steel. For your information, most hydraulic crimpers on market are designed for copper and aluminum. The body and dies might break if you use them for stainless steel. And you also need a cable cutter to cut the wire rope. And some stainless steel cable, which is very popular for its great outdoor rust resistance and weather protection. You could always find the products in this video on Amazon. Just search Muzata and the model number in Amazon searching box. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. Firstly, we need to divide the height of post into equal length for each run and mark with a pencil. Then install the small end first, since it is impossible to swage it if we leave it to the last step. Drill a through hole with a 6 mm drill bit. Put cable into small end and swage it with Muzata hydraulic crimper. Install the small end through the post. Put on a protector sleeve to protect the post and make the hole pretty. Next step, install the big end. Firstly, drill through with 6 mm bit, then drill from outside for 55 mm depth. A key point is you need to drill along the 6 mm hole to make sure the two holes are concentric. Extend the turnbuckle before measuring the cable length, so there will be some extra room for tensioning cable at the last step. Measure the length, mark, and cut. Put the wire rope into swage end and crimp it with a hydraulic crimper. Install the two parts of turnbuckle by jointing them inside the post. The last step, tense the wire rope by rotating turnbuckle with the Allen drive attached in the package. And it is done. It is easy to do it all by yourself without being a pro. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.